What is up, guys? So today we will be putting the glass finally in the coupe. Bright and early, morning coffee. You know the deal. So he scuffed the surface for the glue to adhere to the glass. Finally putting the glass in today, and then we can start assembling all of like the trim and door moldings. But we were gonna use a universal trim on the front windshield, like we did on my S13. It's sleek. I don't mind the look of it, but I remember Alex said that he had a spare trim that he didn't end up using. It comes in a whole kit. A little pricey now, but it's nice to have like the OEM stuff, because this stuff, it just shrivels it. The sun kills it and it falls out. If you guys have an S chassis, you know it gets super brittle. This is all of it. I didn't even open it. I might just buy it off him because he's not using it. It comes with the metal corner pieces that clip in, that connect these together, the roof ones and the A-pillar ones. Good kit. Would I spend $500 on it? Absolutely not. What's your opinion on the trim?
Personally, I like the one-piece universal one.
Like,
not a super thick one, like one.
Like this.
Yeah.
This is not thin, but it's not thick. I think it's
I think it fits the 14 good.
Yeah.
He has a thinner one.
He says he has some trims.
Oh.
He has this one out here. See, front windshield, not bronze, but what are you gonna do, you know? Can't get them. Everyone's a critic. You can't get them. Just buy one. You know how shipping glass is. How does that work out half the time? Not very well. Exactly. They make them so blue. You notice that? It's very blue. That's how that one was too.
Yeah, that needs to be tinted.
Tint it? Maybe tint it.
This is very blue.
That's how they make them now. Last time, you know? That'll work, man. That looks man. You know what that is called, Steve? Piping.
Piping, like for cakes. Oh, look at that. I always wonder how I did that.
He was smoking a J before from the disc, so.
Guys, man.
I gotta install some glass. One sec.
I got you.
Just touch the cup, that's it.
That's it. Nothing else.
DJ, I've seen you play with glass before, but this is the first time it's been a windshield.
Just line it up right to those marks I left there for you.
Is full.
I ain't pressing down on nothing, I'll tell you that though. Seed it. Should I press down on a seat? Hell no.
I'll press it. You want me to? You said you need someone to press down?
Real pressing matters, Steve.
Jim's full of puns today.
With the pun.
Fun Friday.
Fun Friday.
Fun Friday, you know?
Fun pun Friday. I got a ring to it.
It's a big day.
Yeah.
It like makes the car feel whole when you put the glass in.
Because then you could do the trim and all this other stuff.
But he hasn't wrinkled black yet.
I did.
Been sleeping.
It's wrinkled.
I like how smooth the zoom
It's not
is on
wrinkled.
this
It's trim
camera.
black, baby. Gotcha.
Oh, yeah, you did get it. The OEM trim has like this retainer that you have to put on first. Double-sided tape. Before you put the glass in, you need that retainer. So now we're gonna put the window in. I don't know what he's doing with the razor. What's that?
Primer the glass.
Primer the glass now. You primered that, right?
Yep.
Nice. He's gonna glue that, seat the windshield in, and then put this whole trim over here. We already put it together, so it has metal ends. And then there's another whole top piece, metal end, nether seal, nether seal. So there's 3 seals and 2 metal ends. Lighting stuff. Glass is going in. Very dope. Very dope to see. Gotta clean it. You know? Alright, so I really couldn't film it because I was helping them put the front windshield in and the OEM molding. I'm happy I went with. I was kind of on the fence about it, but it fits the best. And it's very slim and sleek. It is very expensive. He could have gave me a universal trim for nothing, basically, like this. But Djnoway had it. He's not using it. It was just sitting over there. So I was like, oh, new paint job. Get you new trim. Why not, right? So that's what I did, and it fits great. It fits really good. It's not like 100% because it isn't factory Nissan glass. It's an OE glass. So there's like some spots, but I don't want this car to be perfect. The paint is perfect. I want to enjoy this car. I want to not be very stressful driving. It's going to be hard. Black, clean, fresh, new paint. Car is going to be a driver car, street car. It's not going to be a race car. No, I'm not going to be drifting it. No, street car. Music, good system, good speakers, good music playing. Cruising, you know, fall time, fall, foliage, pumpkins. I've said it time and time again. This is sick. Gotta clean the windows. They're a little dirty. They've been sitting in storage for a while, for a long time. Up there. They were up there. But now we can put the trim on. It's in here. Lights on, please. Thank you. Painted it the other day, and I forgot the window needs to be in to do it. So, I don't know why the paint looks like so matte, but it'll be fine. Should have got a different trim black. Telling myself it's not gonna be perfect. I don't want perfect. I just want nice and clean. Very upset. The bronze tint. Big sad about that. Look how beautiful the tint is. Bronze, a little hint of tan bronze. Now we got blue. See that? You see the 14? I don't have to say too much. I'm not gonna say it. But if you know how stupid I am and what I like, you probably don't have to think too hard. Not gonna be that, but you'll see. You'll see. It's not time for that yet. Still a lot to do with the car. We're getting it done. Glass is a huge check. Paint glass in. Come on. Ooh, the front end on it with the hood shut. Hood kind of not all shut all the way. I gotta address the latch. Right, we'll get it right. Let's get to working on this thing. Once again, shout out to Djnoway for the OEM trim. It's definitely was the move. You know, I showed it enough. Can't really see it because the car is so black and deep. There's a rubber seal down here, so I taped that off, peeled it. Now, this looks like flat black. I don't know what's good with that. The paint world right now because the cans of trim black that I got were defected. The top snapped on both of them inside. Like they're done. They're totaled. It happens. It wasn't my fault. Defected cans. So hopefully they give me new cans. Go get some trim black and finish painting up the trim. Put that on. Put the moldings on. And it'll be good. I think the paint that Ant had in his trunk is no good. So I got some new stuff. It made the shit like matte black. So I hope this is a little better. Look, you can see it here. Glass.
Double bricks. Don't act like
Glass, you see it there?
Whoa, Nelly. Looks
Look,
nice.
flat black.
Yeah, that doesn't look the same. Look, you guys could tell the difference on that.
So I think it's just that paint is dusted. So we'll see.
Or you'll just have to paint this one too. That same.
Yeah, I have to take it off.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Well, let's see how this works. Lotion on her.
Some coconut butter.
Coconut butter. Steve definitely got some. I would show you guys this ash, but I'm not doing that.
You can show us. They don't mind. You show it to them?
Yeah, this is a little blunt.
Little banana.
Yeah.
Processed a little bit.
Maybe that's why it's drying that way, though.
I didn't do it like this last time.
Okay. Looks like it's
still
trimmy,
wet, though.
obviously, but I'm saying over here looks the driest. It doesn't look like it has any drips. Drip drop. Been to the dew drop in, buddy?
No.
The dew drop in. You like chicken wings? All right.
Kinda.
There we go. Dude.
That is fucked.
Nah.
Can you wash it?
You'll throw up? Watch out, don't get hit by the car.
Dude, that fucking stinks so bad.
Over there in the
I got no shoe.
Hop.
You got another shoe in here?
No, hop. Over there. I don't want to
shot.
whip that.
You got a shoe I could wear?
Nah. Bring it outside.
Put it.
Get me a shoe. You got a shoe?
To the curb.
You want to wear my shit? It's stinky.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
The shit is gonna float this way.
I'm fucking pushing it that way.
Put it in the grass.
Larry June. We came late to the party.
Did he wash his feet?
Oh, air?
Yeah. Heavily?
Yeah, with the hose.
In the air?
No air. Just stomping around.
The three amigos walking in the sun.
Steve, you pissed on it before, like directly.
Because it wasn't his.
Exactly. Alright, you can kill it, Jeff.
I'm trying to see the trim. It looks way better.
Be careful.
One piece of it at a time.
Come on. Playing the game.
Hey, watch out for the shit!
Take that side off now and repaint it. So it's not much exciting stuff.
But it looks way better though.
Yeah, that other side and
If-
right.
Looks
This is off by like a hair, but that's okay. The window could have went up a little bit. A little trim.
Honestly, the pizza from Combi's ain't too bad.
It's not.
Good lord. I'm surprised. I'd probably be sitting, but
I would say a 6.
not trash, not medium, just
Yeah.
like a little like above.
Not a rave about.
Hands on deck here.
Trim things. More trim.
Deck now got no job.
Now they don't think he works, I said.
I don't.
Dag now has the best job.
I don't work.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up there. Glass is installed, all the trim is installed. I can't really do too much more. Can't put the door cards on because I need the door handles. So Anthony should be painting the rear bumper and mirrors and the door handles this weekend, I hope. But it's good to see it with glass in it, trim on it. It's good. And obviously Dagnell's car is in here. First time I'm actually looking at it. Looks pretty sick. Got to get Ant's car in here. Pack this place with S chassis. James is 15 somewhere. One over there, one here, one up there. You know, Ant? You'll pull it in here for me, right? For a little picture, take a picture. My phone. It'll be good. Nice. Good. Nice. Looks nice. I like it. Hold on. Before we wrap it up, let's get a squirrel's eye view, as they say.
That's the mouse house up there.
That's nice. Minus that. That's good. That's good. We need a green S chassis for some reason, if you know. No one has a green S chassis. Red. You know. Stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully I'll have all the parts back. And yeah, gotta order some coils, because that's no good. So, stay tuned, and Dagnell, good day.
Goodbye.